everyone, it's Tammy, and it's the pink bag, so this means it's Ipsy time. Yay, hooray! I love me some Ipsy days. So, make sure I got everything out. Save the bag. Oh, and it's pretty butterflies. That's really pretty. It's kind of mauve on the back and kind of a metallic pink here. Very pretty, and a cute little tabbed zipper pull. So for those of you that may not know what Ipsy is it's a subscription box that you get 5 usually sample size things every month, and it's $10. The inside is kind of the mauvish color. The zipper is really pretty. I like how it's kind of pink or rose gold maybe. And looks like this time I got some Glamour Dolls eyeshadow brush. This is really nice. I actually was thinking I needed a new one because my current one, it's starting to get loose from the handle. So this will be perfect. Yay. Thank you, Ipsy. And, ooh, what is this? This doesn't look like a sample size. This is banana setting powder. Banana? I don't know if that's the color. Banana setting powder. I've never heard of such a thing. Okay, so let's see here. Seems to match. I don't know exactly what it's supposed to do. I think setting powder just does that. It sets your makeup after you've put it on. Oh, this is in the shade medium, which is usually what I am. So that's kind of cool. I might like that. We'll have to try that out. And then I have Delectable Soft Triple Moisture Body Lotion, Coconut and Cream. So let's take the little tab off and smell it. Ooh, it's very coconutty. Oh, smells like summer. Let's see if it's soft. It is very nice. Oh, it feels good. Yeah, I really like it. And I love the scent. Oh my goodness. Coconut and cream. Oh yeah, that's nice. That is so nice. Oh, I love it. Oh, and it's the butterfly because it's the social butterfly in the April edition. That's cute. Life is too short to skip all of the fun stuff happening right now. Instead, we challenge you to be your best self, have your best spring, and RSVP yes to everything that comes your way. A new friend request? Yep. Sunday making party with your niece? Mm-hmm. Random date night on a Tuesday? Heck yeah. 90s trivia and wine tasting? You're in. Swipe right, check yes, and load up your calendar. You're going to be one busy bee this month. Luckily, we've got your hair, makeup, and mani plan covered. Don't forget to head over to the Ipsy mobile app for inspo, ideas, and everything you need to know about your glam bag picks. And find us on Facebook to get your so you can get social with other Ipsters who love beauty too. Cute. So let's see, this is Lips by Himps. It is an ultra moisturizing herbal lip balm. And I probably can't smell it because I have the coconut and I can't smell it. I don't know if it has a smell or not because all I can smell is coconut. I think it might have a little scent, and it's just lip gloss. Very nice though. Lip balm. And what is this? A shimmer something. Starstruck. Limited edition by Kiade. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It is eyeliner. And this says stamp. I have no idea. Oh, stamp and eyeliner duo. All right, well, what's stamp? I don't know. Hopefully it's black. Limited edition. Oh my goodness, it is a stamp. I could put a little star on us. Stamp and eyeliner edition. The eyeliner seems very nice. Get a nice thick line. Get a really thick line. How about that? A stamp. And it actually stamps really well. Let's see if you can do it on your fingernails. My nails are nasty, but oh, not so well. There we go. Wow. That's pretty cool. I don't know that I would ever use the stamp, but you know, it's not bad. It's kind of cool. If I was 20, I may. Let's see how easily it comes off. Oh, very. I thought it was going to be really hard to get off. Good. And then I'm sure it should come off my nail pretty easily. And that's the one it doesn't. Oh my gosh, how funny. Holy cow. Okay, I'm scrubbing that pretty hard and it's still on my fingernail. So if you guys want to use it on your fingernail for fingernail art, that would work. Wow. Okay, well, I'll just leave that on there for now. But it came off my skin really nicely, so that's cool. So there we go. So thanks for watching, guys. Those are the 5 things that I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So fun. I'd say that was a good month. I mean, $10. I think it's great. So thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.